Hello everyone, hope you all are staying safe. Today I'm going to show you a very simple but delicious recipe. Chickpea rice is my favorite food when I go to a Mediterranean restaurant. For this, we need olive oil, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, chopped coriander, 1 black cardamom and 2 bay leaves, half chopped onions, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup boiled chickpeas, salt as per taste, water 4 cups, rice 2 cups. First add olive oil to the pan, then add garlic cloves. I'm going to infuse garlic flavor to the oil. Once garlic is roasted, add chopped onions and salt. Saute it until onions are translucent. Now add bay leaf and black cardamom. Once the flavors of garlic is infused, remove garlic clove from the pan. Saute it for 5 minutes until onions are cooked. Now let's add cumin powder, garam masala, add chili flake, chopped coriander. Saute it well. Add boiled chickpeas and add salt. Cook it for 5 minutes in low flame. In a bowl, take 2 cups of rice and wash it well. Once you washed, add 4 cups of water and soak it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the soaked water from the rice and boil it in a pan. Once the water comes to a boiling consistency, add in the soaked rice to it. When the rice is 50% done, add in the chickpea mixture to the rice and cook it for 15 minutes or until rice is cooked perfectly.